As we see Hipstein's behind, D sunk his teeth in deep fright. Sight slumberers we find that keep all awake at night. Once these images so obscene by anyone are hence seen, they'll say don't turn off the light. Nightmares, I've no appetite. I'm constantly fighting my PC. I tell it don't ever call restart or say delete when I ain't hungry. I get so much stress when AI starts to argue the toss about my lines, trying so hard to me redefine as if it's a better brain than mine. It's just photocopier defined, so it can't read what's inside my head except maybe baby when I'm dead. Machines that topic recon facts, all we're taught the facts of machine life. All so they've on spring called hey I babies. They're adopted by gents and ladies, but not cause they're orphan fun. Maybe sometimes they're as evil as Hades. Take my word, love, kidding, sweetie, I've signed peace tree. Software and medical books being currently circulated by deans are all partially incorrect, as they're at least a decade old, which means we're well and truly fecked. Written 10 years ago, yet sold. There are no med students' curriculums available to study COVID. Such a bunch of super bums with brains made of AI aluminum that when they guys still look up to them. Threads need deleted for Tweedledum. Good luck to you if you can bust, hun. Solve this cryptic as heck. Sausage one, I'm constantly fighting my PC. I tell it don't ever call restart or say delete when I ain't hungry. I get so much stress when hey I start. So how can world now just realign? Well, once again it's like question time. So first let's just get real, okay, as we ain't gonna pave anyway. Forward into future and beyond, unless we work well with all cross pond. You don't need to be an oracle to know this, as it's historical. A special relationship, strong bond, and alliance forged in steel iron. So next our techs as such must marry if wishing to cyber world tarry. As the years have thus gone by, my love has turned to hey I. Not that there's need of alibi for anyone by the by. Alas for hey I and I, world's problems now multiply exponentially. Why? Unfortunately I don't fall in numeracy and lack of literacy. I'm all across the modern West. Harvard illustrates this post as interest must sit math test, which is so sadly at best a test arithmetical, no way mathematical. So having taught all of our workforce how to embrace Windows and many other software courses in order to win those contracts that before did us elude by joie de vivre, etude, and to excel at Excel by spreading data inside cells, learning word processors, databases, and internet, and even email with ease to turn all